All right, let us try to understand what is deadlock in minute. Okay, so let us suppose we created two different threads T1 and T2, and in both threads we acquire locks on different objects. So in first thread we acquire lock on lock 1, in second thread we acquire lock on lock 2. Correct. Now in this particular critical section we are trying to acquire lock again on lock 2 in thread 1, but since it is already locked, so that until the resources becomes free we cannot lock this particular object. Okay, in thread 2 again we are performing the same task. We are trying to acquire lock on this lock 1 which is already locked, so we are just waiting until the resources becomes free. So this particular situation is basically called as a deadlock. So both the threads are waiting for each other to release the lock they hold. This causes a deadlock and neither the thread can proceed and the program gets stuck forever. Correct. When we try to run this code, we notice that in output here, like thread 2 is holding this lock 2, thread 1 is actually holding lock 1, and thread 1 is actually waiting for lock 2, and thread 2 is waiting for lock 1. So we never proceed further, and this is like a deadlock situation. How to avoid this? First is like just try to avoid creating this nested locks. Okay. Even if we have to create these locks in nested order, then you must follow the order. Okay. So currently the order is like lock 1 and lock 2. So in the second thread also, we should have this lock 1 and lock 2 order. Okay. Apart from this, there are other ways also to fix them. Let us see them in next video.